What's up, world? Cash Williams, Buku Money Gang. Yeah, and this a lyrical exercise. It go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This a lyrical exercise. It go 1, 2. Check me. I put my heart into this music, so when you listen to it, you can hear my lifeline. So the day that you stop hearing new shit, that'll be the day you can say that I died. Fuck the money and the fame, this is my life. I just like to express what goes on in my mind. Always elevated, always have my own high. Blowing on strange clouds, looking at the blue sky. Thinking of a future that doesn't involve friends that like me for what I got. And not cause of who I am, what people appreciate. Instead, don't hate on what I did. If I didn't invent the shit, then you wouldn't be hearing it. So take it for what it is and stop making this something else. My music is medicine for the people losing their health. Doing this for me only benefits for self, so I do it for the hood and my niggas in the cell. The one that gave up and lost faith in themselves. Cause I know how it feels to feel like you live in hell. That shit is fucked up and it'll never get better. But start to think different and you might live better. Cause life is what you make it. You ain't gotta fake it, believe it and achieve it. Go ahead and take it, vision it and see it. Believe that you can be it, and right before you know it, you be living where the beach is. Yeah, I want the money and the cars and the clothes, the hoes I suppose, 100,000 fans at all of my shows, and the whole damn fam sitting in the front row, and everybody know all the words to my songs. Man, I know that I'ma make it, I just gotta hold on to this dream that I'm chasing. My team, we gon' make it. I told them we gon' shine when it's time, just be patient. I remember way back when, used to love hip-hop, smoking on the flam. Yep, know what it is. Buku Money Gang. That was just a lyrical exercise. Let y'all know I'm still on my shit. Feel me? Look out for that mixtape, Killing Spree, dropping at the end of this month. Also, watch out for my nigga Dirt Ducati. His mixtape coming out. You feel me? Money to Burn. Who else? My nigga Boogie the Monster, Guru the Mac. They dropping their mixtape. What's that? The Fifth Kind? Okay. Oh yeah. Shout out to my cousin JL's, Queen Jazz. You feel me? She been doing her shit, but right now she hot. You feel me? Look her up. JL's, Queen Jazz.